ugly style.
YouTube fam, what is good? If you are new, my name is DevanOnDeck. I cover fashion and tech, and today I'm sharing with you what I keep in my day-to-day work bag. As a lot of y'all know, I'm an entrepreneur and I do a lot of my work from my home. Since I am a digital marketing coach, a strategist, an art director, I do have constant client meetings. I'm gonna have to show up for a shoot, and sometimes I'm just bored of my house and I want to go to a local cafe to get some work done. Now, I can't talk about what's in my bag without showing you the bag itself, and this comes from our sponsor, ISM. If you already follow me on Instagram, then you saw this backpack on my feed already. I met the owner, he's a really cool guy. He's based in the Bay Area from my home, so I have a special connection with this brand. And beyond making this really eye-catching video, you'll also see in the caption that I said I'm gonna try this backpack out for the next month and give you guys updates. So here's the update that you've been waiting for. Now that leads me to the next item on this list, my favorite hoodie. Now if you watched my last video on how to style a hoodie, I compared expensive versus affordable, gave you guys some good tools on how to dress around a hoodie, even if you're more of a dapper guy. I kind of did the mix between the high and the low like I always do, but one thing I pointed out to y'all is that I spent a lot of money on this hoodie. It's like 180 bucks, I think it's $200 now, but I bought this hoodie 5 years ago. I've never had a hoodie last me longer than this one right here. If you want to hear all the details why I'm so crazy about this hoodie and why it's the best in the whole wide world to me, I will leave a link down below in the description to the original video I put out last week, and I have a little card come out here, so if you want to see it, check it out. And next up is my MacBook Air. It's a really old model from like 2011, but I'm telling you, it is an invaluable tool for me to use day to day. I use it for all my photo edits, my video edits, emails, you name it. Now next up, we have my over-ear headphones. Now these are by Skull Candy. I got them about a year ago, and although they're not really my style, I do like them for the function of like canceling out noise. They're really good for editing video with, so that's what I use them for. I will say that the charging for the Bluetooth functionality, so you can actually unplug them and listen to them without the cord, but the charging went out, I think after the first, 6 months, so I have to just plug them into my computer now. And going into the new year, I think I definitely want to get back to having smaller headphones, so I'm looking for something that's wireless and small and like earbud-ish. So if you know of any brands, like should I go with the AirPod? Do you know of anybody else who makes really cool like ear-in headphones that are wireless that I can talk on the phone with and listen to music? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you in advance. Next up is my power bank, which is also coincidentally by ISM. Now this is a portable charger, as a lot of you guys know that's what power banks are, and just like they always do, it's a great balance of aesthetic quality as well as function. So you see it's like inlaid with leather, it's very smooth, it's all black, it's minimal, but it also charges your phone like 1.5 times. And what I usually do is just leave my power bank in my bag, because the ISM backpack already has like a little slot there you can slide your cord through and just easily charge your phone either on the table or even while you're wearing it. But that's not even the best part though. For my subscribers only, people that are watching this video right now, you get to get one of these power banks for free if you like the backpack. They're usually about 45 or 50 bucks I think on the website, but it's yours for free if you use POWERONDECK when you purchase a backpack. Now no pressure to pick one up obviously, but if you do like it, you're on the lookout for a bag that's kind of aesthetic and nice. I've been using it for a month and it's been really good to me. My wife likes it, my friends like it, it's cool. Up next we have my mobile phone tripod. Now if you've seen my gear video or my video on how to take better photos of yourself, then you know this is a great tool to use to snap a quick pic or a FaceTime call if I need to have a rant on IGTV or IG stories. And on top of that, it's like $10 from Amazon, so I'll link it down below for you if you want to check it out. Now last but not least on this list is my Notepad case. And it's exactly how it sounds. It's a case that holds my notepads. I got like 3 little black booklets in there that I use to just write notes on or sketch things out, whether I'm coming up with the concept for something I'm art directing or planning out a YouTube video or building someone's content strategy for how they're gonna communicate their value online. My job's all over the place, so I have to kind of have a place where I can like sketch things and write things. It's a beautiful thing. So if you don't have notepads for yourself, you definitely want to get some. Now one thing you probably noticed I didn't put on this list was my DSLR camera, my big one, because I don't actually need it day to day. A lot of the content I make on my Instagram that you see is straight from my phone. And this is an old iPhone. This is iPhone 7, okay? It's like 5 generations behind. And that's kind of what this channel is all about. I teach you how to create better content, how to be more successful on social media, and just be resourceful with what you already have. And the other side of my channel is like fashion tips, confidence, more so like mindset and how you present yourself in real life. And it's like the best balance of like both sides of the coin. So if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, and every time I drop a video, you will be notified. Now, if this video brought you any value whatsoever, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.